Structuring to 5 is critical to the development of strong math thinking. Make 5 come alive with these 4 games that focus on the partners of 5.
Game is called Fill Up Fives, okay? And on my website, if you want to make these beautiful things, I have patterns, because if I can make them, people, you can make them. What I've designed is a lovely little thing that turns this carpet into a 5 frame. So what we want to do is we want to combine or put unlike things together or partition and take things apart. So one thing that you can do, and again, these are games in the book, is we can say either flip over a card, okay, or roll a die. So everything I do, flip a card, roll a die. Again, here's how you differentiate. Dots, cover the 6 with a W for wild, and they get to choose. We all go wild for a wild card, people. Let's just say it, right? Or the numerals. If the numerals are appropriate, let's put those numerals in front of them because it's the secret code we all communicate with. And then I just put a little star. You could put a W there too. Sometimes I just mix it up. All right, so whether I am using the visual cards or using one of these, all I do is I flip it over and I say, oh, 1, 2. I have 2 here, so I have 2 here. How many are empty? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 2 and 3 make 5. Isn't that cool? Clear the deck. Roll again. Ooh, this time I have 1. 1. If I have 1, how many empties do I have? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. On my fingers it says I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 make 5. Okay, so again, you can do this individually, and then we do the reverse. And again, I don't care if you start on red or start on blue. The key thing is that we are partitioning now, so we have that big chunk we're going to take a part away. Okay, oh my gosh, I have 5, and I have to take 5 away. How many will be left? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy guacamole, it's just like my bank account. It's empty, right? So great ways to learn and play. And again, we're using that structure of 5. If you have a child and 5 is too much, oh, look at that. We can make 3. You also, when we go beyond 5, yes, I have patterns for 10. Yes, I have patterns for 20, but we don't have to go out and buy all the felt in the whole wide world. We also can just practice adding and subtracting, or putting things together and taking things apart. But we're going to use that same idea. Okay? When I add, I want to use 2 different colors. 1 quantity blue, 1 quantity red. So ready? I think I'm going to just roll these and see how it all works out. Okay? My first one, is going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I like it. I wonder what this one's going to be. Oh, and 2 more. 1, 2. I wonder how much I have in all. Okay, who's going to be able to go 4, 5, 6? Who's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Who's going to have to say, oh, I want them all together? You know what? Let them move. Let them see. It's all about watching their behaviors to know what they can do. That's really what it's about. Okay? So you can do that on and on and on, or flip over the cards. Again, one day you do this, the next day you do the piece, and it's a different game to them. Okay? When it comes time to subtract, we want the whole thing to be one color. So again, I don't care if you use red, I don't care if you use blue, but let's say we take all 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 blue. And I'm going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Who's able to see that 2? Who has to count 1, 2? Just those simple little pieces. Here's the great modeling, and then these things can go on at a table. These things can go on with the different manipulatives that you have in your place. But this is not the stuff that is a waste of time. This is the key stuff that really helps them build that math movie in their head or visualize what those quantities are doing, so that when it comes time to do word problems and to apply the math, they really know what to do.